So, the Trabant is finally repaired and fully working, let's say, and this is Wally, the owner of the Trabant.
It's not fully working as of yet, but it's functional.
And today I will drive the Trabant for the first time. I've never driven such cars. Let's go. So this will be my first time driving the Trabant. It's already unlocked, that's good.
The door is not closed.
Is it now?
Now it is. Yeah.
So now we are in gear or we are in neutral?
It's in neutral. You can try it this way.
Let's just try. So it's from the neutral down.
But first forward all the way. Then not that much, because if you go more, that's reverse. Here's
this movement and
and yeah,
first, second,
towards, then down third, and fourth. Yeah.
Let me just roll up the window a little bit. Okay. So now it's in neutral.
Yeah. Don't forget the seatbelt.
Safety first always.
It's more like safety third. Now first you have to turn on the fuel tap. Turn it clockwise.
Like this?
Yeah. That's the main. That's the main.
And the choke? Should we do something?
It's already warm, so you don't need a choke.
Okay. And
give it a bit of gas.
the pedals are like in the middle. Interesting. What happened with this?
Turn on the lights. Not twisted clockwise. Yep.
Like this?
Yeah, they're on.
So now it's in neutral still. Okay. Oh, very white coach. Should I do this?
Yeah, it might die because the car is not set up right. Yeah, now you're in first. The handbrake.
Okay. There's no need of a rear view mirror, I can see without a mirror.
Yeah. No, it's not gonna die now.
Okay. Oh, the brakes are...
They're stiff, yeah, because there's no servo. It's all... you should go for second, because you're going too fast for first. Yeah, there's no servo, so it's all the force of your leg.
It's very strange without a mirror. It's going to die now, or and now it's in first. Yeah, very nice cockpit. We have some pretty nice media here. The steering wheel is very light, given the fact that there is no servo, but the car is also very light. So
we hit some traffic.
Yeah. Oh, I want to buy one of those. So what's left to be done on this car?
I think the crankshaft needs to be overhauled because the bearings are making some weird sounds, and the carburetor is gonna get replaced at one point.
Oh, it's really it's driving like a diesel, because I can feel that I could shift earlier. I cannot stop here. Okay, let's stop. But I'm not so confident that I can stop, for example, in emergency, or at least I don't have the...
You can stop, I mean the car can stop, but I don't know if you can. Because the brakes are good, but you need to step on it. It's like the Formula 1 cars, you know?
Yeah.
You have to be strong. You need just hold it there and it's gonna go into first.
Because
you need to give the synchros time to
align.
Yeah, to equalize the speeds of both shafts.
So now it's still in first, okay. Oh!
Neutral. Yeah, second.
Oh! I got afraid.
The signal.
Oh yeah. There are so many things going on here that you need to do manually.
It's not like the S8, right?
Yes.
Hey, do you think your window is dirty?
Huh?
Do you think the window is dirty?
No. What to do next?
Because if you want to wash the window, there's a manual.
Yes, we had similar in the Moskvich, I remember. Oh, the suspension is actually quite hard, I would say.
Yeah, all of them are like that. But this one is lowered, so it's a bit more stiffer.
So now what do you explain us about the modifications of this Trabant?
They're more like downgrades, but whatever. So you can see the Chinese filter here. I installed it because I wanted to 3D print something with my printer, and this was an excuse to install it.
Did this raise the horsepower?
No, I think it lowered it actually. But it sounds cool, so that's a plus. I've installed here, you can see the wire for the rave counter, for the tachometer.
Okay, how this functions?
This is the negative pole of the coil, and when the coil is so basically when here's the positive, here's the negative. This is the primary windings connections, and this is the secondary. Basically, when you connect these to ground and this to positive, it discharges the coil with current flowing through the primary winding, and then when you interrupt the negative, the coil discharges, increases the voltage in the secondary and travels through the cable, and this voltage spike is measured here by the tachometer, and it counts how many
times it rotates. Can you show the instrument inside?
Yeah, sure. You can see it with the backlight.
Oh, and can you see the trunk?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, it's quite spacious.
It is, and here you can see my air pump for pumping up the tires. Fire extinguisher here, because you always need one with this car. And this used to be my sound system back here, and it's not been functioning for 2 years now, and I don't know what I...
But I think that there's some still missing, so I think that I will fix that. I think that this bottle will in a correct place here.
Handy, yeah.
Yes. So you can close. Thank you. Is it okay now to release all the
Yeah.
pedals?
Yeah, you
Oh, it's very nice experience. Thank you, Vladi. I was waiting for a long time to drive this beautiful vehicle.